Hi guys, hope you are doing well. So in today's video we are going to talk about salicylic acid, which is also known as BHA, beta hydroxy acid. This ingredient is especially wonderful for people with acne prone skin, those who have combination to oily skin. That is the reason why I was super excited when I heard that L'Oréal Paris is launching the Revitalift Crystal gel cream in India, which has salicylic acid as one of the key ingredients. So it has that beautiful gel texture which makes it perfect for people with oily acne prone skin. So salicylic acid is an active and it has the ability to exfoliate your skin, to remove dead cells, and it also goes deep inside the pores and removes the grime, oil and dirt that is sitting there that causes blackheads and acne breakouts. A lot of dermatologists also recommend salicylic acid based products. That's the reason why it has become a #1 ingredient when it comes to breakouts and pimples. It has such a beautiful gel texture. It just melts into your skin, because a lot of people who struggle with oily combination skin look for a product which is not greasy, oily or heavy. It is perfect for AM/PM use. It also goes up to 10 layers deep into your skin. It also refines the texture. It also refines the pore size. So another added bonus is that this cream is free from colorants, synthetic dyes, parabens, and is non-comedogenic. So I will quickly tell you how I include this gel cream in my skincare routine. So I start with a clean face and I take around few drops of L'Oréal Paris Crystal Micro Essence on my palm, and I gently pat it into my skin until it's completely absorbed. So as you guys might already know that I have been using L'Oréal Paris Crystal Micro Essence for over 1.5 years now. Now my next step is Crystal Gel Cream, which I take around pea-size amount and gently massage it onto my skin. It keeps the skin oil-free for up to 8 hours. So the formula here is clinically and dermatologically tested. And the cream is also endorsed by renowned dermatologist Dr. Ophelia, who is an award-winning consultant. So if you're looking for crystal clear skin, then you should check out L'Oréal Paris Crystal Gel Cream. So the gel cream is available in two sizes, 15 ml for $2.99 and 50 ml for $6.99. I'm going to leave a link of this cream in the description box below. Do not forget to check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you are watching me for the first time, please subscribe. And I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.